The Short Service Commission in the Armed Forces was first time introduced in the place of Emergency Commission to have young and battle-fit officers continuously available and simultaneously reduce the financial burden on the government. Further, service ethos required that the structure of the armed forces must remain sharply pyramidal in shape. To maintain this pyramid structure and at the same time reduce dissatisfaction among permanent commission officers being passed over, Ajay Vikram Singh committee recommendations were implemented in the year of 2001. As a result, today, short service commission officers who are to leave on expiry of their engagement form a major chunk of the total intake of officers. In the beginning, the engagement period of 5 years in the Army or Air Force was rightly prescribed for SSC officers. On completion of this tenure, the officer was either made permanent or released with gratuity. In this case, officer was very well under 27 years of age and easily got adjusted to the next job and civil life. Several arbitrary entry schemes have been introduced over the time, wherein the period of engagement was increased from 5 years to 10 years and then further extended to 14 years or in some cases. Indian Army is the third largest army in the world and it ensures national security and national unity to defend the nation from external aggression and internal threats. Army also maintains peace and security in its borders, and all of these are the most important primary jobs of the Indian Army. Indian Army also conducts humanitarian operations including various natural and man-made calamities also. You being the youngest are the most required indomitable element who are going to join the Indian Army, but you need to prove your worth to be a part of this prestigious force that not only gives you abundant life but can give you an attitude to appreciate the most little things in life. So let us understand about one of the most prestigious entries to get into the Indian Army as an officer, and that entry is about the CDSC entry through the OTA. And this is an overview about the Combined Defense Services Examination for Officers Training Academy. In this particular session, we will understand about what is actually the Officers Training Academy, a brief overview about OTA, and then we will understand about the CDS examination and little bit brief details about it. Okay, so beginning with what is actually the Officers Training Academy. OTA is a training establishment of Indian Army that will train officers for the Short Service Commission. Please remember, OTA will train all the Indian Army officers who are going to become an officers in the Indian Army for the Short Service Commission. Short Service Commission has a mandatory period of 10 years. Along with 10 years, they can have an extension period of around 4 years. That means they can work for a maximum period of around 14 years. Let them be males or females. After their short service commission, they can approach the army establishments to convert their short service commission towards permanent commission, and conversion from the short service commission to permanent commission will be done after a series of review committee recommendations, and various other important things are also being considered. So now we will not discuss about the conversion about these. I will briefly discuss about the examination and very much importantly about the OTA. The course duration in OTA is about 49 weeks, and OTA will prepare all the graduates for all branches of army except for the Army Medical Corps. An additional point that you have to remember that females are not inducted into the combat roles in the Indian Army and various other special forces. So about the details about all of the most important battalions and the regiments and the corps in which the women have to be inducted, so that particular details are given in the miscellaneous section. I request each and every woman aspirant to go and check about that particular section. The motto of Officers Training Academy is to serve with honor. And this is the logo of the academy, and this is how the academy's flag looks. So the academy carries its colors as blood red and the steel grey. Going on with the OTA, that OTA will have around the Short Service Commission. The Short Service Commission officers tenure is around 10 plus 4 years. That means a compulsory 10 years of service and 4 years as extension, as I told you before. So after the completion of this tenure, the officers can either opt for a permanent commission or they can opt out of the Indian Army. So those aspirants who are trying to aspire and who are trying to live both the military life, both the Fauji life and also the civilian life, it is a very much advantageous if you are opting for the OTA. So this is a very important one. Conversion from SSC to PC will be done, and it will be only based upon the performance seen by the confidential reports and various other important inputs that are being considered by the army officials. Going on in much more detail regarding this, that OTA cadets have a little bit lower edges. That means if anybody are ex-NDA and CTW officers, they have a little bit slighter edge over their SSC counterparts. This being the reason that NDA and CTW officers, they start their training from just around 16 to 19 years, 16 and a half to 19 and a half years. So it is a very early age. So at that age, they are starting their journey. So they will have a little bit, obviously, around a slighter more edge than the OTA entry officers, and also that NDA and CTW officers are permanent commission officers, whereas officers through OTA are the short service commission officers. Also, an additional point that we have to remember is that you can convert from a short service commission to a permanent commission, and the vice versa is not possible. That means you cannot convert from a permanent commission to the short service commission, but you can convert from SSC to PC. Okay. Now we will understand about what is actually the CDS examination. CDS examination is a written test. That means it is an offline test. Please remember, CDS examination is an offline test. This is conducted 2 times every year by the UPSC, by the Union Public Service Commission, for the entry into the OTA. Okay, CDS OTA written exam has 2 sections, namely English and general knowledge. Those who are eligible for IMA, INA, AFA, for them, they have an additional paper of mathematics, but those who are writing for the OTA entry only, they are eligible to write only the English and general knowledge papers. Okay, so notification month of this particular exam will be in the month of March for CDS 2, and for CDS 1, the notification is released in the month of August. The examination is conducted in the months of February and August. Okay. Now the age limit of this particular examination and the qualification is that a candidate must be a graduate in any Indian recognized university, and he must have an age of around 90 to 25 years. To get in detail with the perfect age limit and the perfect educational qualifications that you have to possess, I request you to please go through the educational qualification, the eligibility criteria details section. In that particular lecture, we are discussing about this particular part in a much more detailed way. So in the next session, we will be discussing about what is actually the selection procedure. That means after writing the examination, now before writing the examination, you have to understand what is the examination pattern. So after exam, what all are the important various other tests that you are going to counter about. All of them are given in the selection procedure. Now there are even coming up sessions in detail. They explain about the age cutoff, and when and how the exam is conducted, the syllabus of the examination and the study plans that you have to adopt, and how to increase your success rate are also mentioned. So please stay tuned with us so that you can have a very detailed analysis about what is actually in detail about the CDS OTA examination. So that is it with this particular session. For more content and authentic information about the examination and the detailed study procedure, you can visit our website ssbcrackexams.com, and we highly recommend you to download our Android app from Google Play Store. As I always tell you that we always dream to fulfill your dreams. Always stay motivated, work smart, and Jai Hind.